Give it! I want to order!
No, me! I'm faster!
Stop! I'll decide, Tom.
Ha! I won!
Where's this food?
I'm so hungry!
Tom, where's the food? I think I made a mistake. Tom, come here, sweetie. Today is a big day. I know, Mom. Grandma and Grandpa are coming.
That's right. And guess what? I have a special job for you.
A job? For me?
Yes, you're 11 now. I think you're ready. I want you to order the food for tonight's dinner. Pizza, chicken wings, everything.
Really? Yes, I can totally do that. Just be careful, okay? Double check everything. Don't worry, Mom. I got this.
Can I help too?
No way, Emma. This is my job.
Fine. But if you mess it up, I'm telling everyone.
I'm not gonna mess it up. Okay, pizza. 2 large pizzas. Chicken wings. And done! Order confirmed. Mom! Dad! I ordered the food! Great job, honey. What time will it come? I think around 6?
Perfect. Grandma and Grandpa will be here at 6 too.
This is going to be the best party ever. Hello, everyone. Come in, come in. We're so happy you're here.
Something smells... Wait, I don't smell anything. Where's the food?
It should be here any minute. Tom ordered it.
It's 6:05. It should be here soon.
I'm hungry. Is the food here yet?
Not yet, sweetie. Just a little longer. Let me check my phone.
What's wrong, Tom?
I think I made a mistake. What kind of mistake? The order? It says delivery tomorrow, not today. What? You ordered the food for the wrong day? I didn't mean to. I was in a hurry.
Okay. Let's stay calm.
Well, that's a twist.
Tom, how could this happen? I'm so sorry. I ruined the party.
I told you to let me help.
This isn't helping, Emma.
All right, everyone. No one is in trouble. Let's just figure this out.
Can we cancel the order and get a new one? I'm trying. The app isn't letting me change it easily.
Call the restaurant directly. Sometimes that works better.
Hello? Yes, I have an order. It's for tomorrow, but I need it tonight. They say it takes 90 minutes now because it's so late.
90 minutes? We'll be starving!
Okay, new plan. What do we have in the fridge?
Let's check.
We have eggs, cheese, and some vegetables.
Oh, I make a wonderful omelet. Let me help.
Tom, can you help me make the salad? Yeah, sure.
Come on, buddy. This can still be a great night.
Careful with the eggs, Emma. Not on the floor.
Oops. Sorry.
This kitchen hasn't been this busy in years.
Tom, check this. Does it smell good? Wow, it smells really good.
You know, I think I like cooking together more than just eating pizza.
Me too. This feels like the old days.
To an unexpected dinner. Cheers!
Cheers! This is actually the funniest dinner ever.
I'm really sorry about the order, everyone.
Don't be sorry, dear. Sometimes mistakes make the best memories.
Exactly. I'll remember this dinner forever.
Oh, look! The pizza is here! Tomorrow's pizza, a day early. I mean, on time now.
Great! Now we have breakfast pizza tomorrow.
So, Tom, what did you learn today?
I learned that I need to double check things. Like, really check.
That's true. What else?
I also learned that mistakes aren't the end of the world.
Exactly. It's not about being perfect. It's about how you fix things.
And working together made it fun, actually.
That's my boy.
So, are we giving Tom another job next time?
Yes! I promise I'll check twice.
3 times.
Okay, 3 times.
Whoa! Look out!
Okay, Tom, let's make this the best volcano at the fair.
Really? The best one?
Of course. We're a great team.
Okay, what do we need first?
Let's check the box. Baking soda, vinegar, and red food coloring.
I have everything right here.
Perfect. Now, let's read the instructions first.
Step 1. Build the volcano shape with clay.
Easy. You're good at this part.
How does it look?
Wow, that looks great, Tom.
Thanks. Now step 2. Mix the baking soda with water.
Good idea. Let's do it slowly.
Okay, I'm pouring it in now. Dad, look! It's working!
Wow, that's perfect. Nice job, buddy.
It's exactly like the video showed.
You followed the instructions perfectly.
I can't wait to show my class tomorrow.
They're gonna love it.
Do you think I'll win a prize?
With this volcano, I bet you will.
Let's clean up and get ready for tomorrow.
Sounds good, buddy. Great job today. It's good, but it needs just a little more power.
Don't change it now. It already works.
Trust me, honey. I know what I'm doing.
That's what you always say.
This time it's true.
Dad, are you sure about this?
Absolutely. Just a little more soap for extra bubbles.
But it already worked at the garage.
Trust me, it'll look amazing.
Famous last words.
Okay. I hope you're right.
I'm always right. Well, almost always.
Okay, everything looks good? Wow, Tom, your volcano looks awesome! Thanks. I worked really hard on it. Did you make it all by yourself? Mostly. My dad helped a little too.
Cool. Is it going to explode?
Yes! Wait until you see it. Okay, let's do a quick test. Phew! It still works. That was so cool! Right? I'm really excited to show the judges.
Good morning, everyone. Is everybody ready?
Yes, Miss Johnson. Yes, Miss Johnson.
All right, everyone. The judges are coming in 5 minutes. Get ready.
5 minutes? Okay, I'm ready.
Tom, Your project looks fantastic.
Thank you, Miss Johnson. I tested it 3 times at home.
Great. I'm sure the judges will be impressed.
Okay, here we go.
Hello, you must be Tom.
Yes, that's me.
So, Tom, tell me about your project.
It's a volcano. It shows a chemical reaction.
Interesting. How does it work?
The baking soda and vinegar mix together and make gas.
I see. And what happens next?
I've tested it 3 times. It worked perfectly every time.
Great. Let's see it then.
Okay, here we go. Uh-oh.
Is it supposed to do that?
Just wait a second.
Take your time, Tom. No rush.
That's strange. It worked at home.
Maybe you need more vinegar?
Wait, let me check something.
Sure, go ahead.
Let me just look inside. I don't understand. Maybe there's a problem inside.
Oh my goodness!
That's amazing! Best volcano ever!
Whoa, watch out, everyone!
This is the best science fair ever! I am so sorry.
It's okay, Tom. Really.
Is everyone okay? I'm so embarrassed.
Don't worry about it, Tom.
Tom, that was incredible! Do it again! I don't think I can...
Don't worry, Tom. This is memorable.
Great. There goes my grade.
Tom, are you okay?
Yeah, just a little embarrassed.
Don't be. Everyone loved it.
That was quite a show.
I'm really sorry. I don't know what happened.
No need to apologize. Science can be unpredictable.
I promise. It worked every time at home.
I believe you. Things go wrong sometimes.
So, I failed the project?
Not at all. Actually, I have a question for you.
A question?
Yes. Take a moment and think carefully.
Okay, sure.
Why do you think it overflowed?
Give me a second. Well, I think there was too much baking soda.
Go on.
And the soap made the bubbles last longer.
Interesting. What else?
The gas built up too fast. The container couldn't hold it all.
That's a very good answer. How do you know all this?
We learned about gas and pressure in science class.
So the reaction was actually too strong?
Exactly. Too much soda plus soap equals too many bubbles.
And what would you change next time?
I would use less baking soda and less soap.
Excellent explanation, Tom. That's real scientific thinking.
Really? You're not mad?
Not at all. Mistakes teach us the most. Understanding why it happened is the most important part.
Thank you. That means a lot.
That might have been my fault, actually.
Oh? What did you do?
I added extra baking soda and soap last night.
I told you so.
Yeah, you were right.
Well, it made for a great demonstration.
Next time, Dad, please listen to Mom.
Deal. Lesson learned.
And now for our special award.
Please not biggest mess.
The award for Best Scientific Thinking goes to Tom!
Wait, really?
Congratulations, Tom!
That's my boy.
We're so proud of you.
I guess my volcano really was unforgettable.
Just like I promised, the best volcano at the fair.
Best explosion, maybe.
Next time, maybe a little less soap.